Alright, now that the radio portion is complete, the next section we're going to concentrate on is the climate control and dual climate control systems. Up top, located here, as you can see in the screen, right now we're set at 70 degrees on the left hand side of the car, 70 degrees on the right hand side of the car, with the air currently coming out at our faces with a fan speed of 1. Cycling back right here, dual climate control buttons are located here, and for the right hand side for the passenger here, with the remaining climate control buttons operations located up here. First one on the left hand side, this button right here cycles where the air is coming out at us. So for example, if you hit the button, it'll come out at our head and our feet. You cycle through and hit it again, your feet in defrost, and back to your head again. The buttons on the left hand side will dictate the temperature. So hitting the red arrow makes it hotter, makes the air hotter coming into the cabin of the car all the way up to 90 degrees. The blue arrow located on the left hand side on the bottom will drop the temperature every time you hit it, dropping it as low as 60 degrees, which is awesome in the summertime. Now if you want to adjust, if you have a passenger in the car, obviously chances are you're most likely going to want different temperatures of the car itself. You want to hit the dual button. That's what that button does right here. Hit dual. You know, with the passenger, they can adjust the temperature to whatever they wanted on their side of the vehicle. Very awesome feature. There's nothing like the sophistication for comfort and convenience. Everybody's happy that's driving and sitting on the passenger side of the vehicle at their own temperatures that they want to be set at. Up top on the top row portion located right here where my finger is, we're going to concentrate right here on these two, the little small fan and the big fan. That's what dictates the fan speed of the car, as you can hear and listen. As you can hear the fan speed increasing, 68 degrees on the driver's side, dropping that down to 64 with 71 in the passenger. The little fan button will drop the fan speed, as you can see right there. Off turns the entire system off. With the auto button, adjusting to the auto temperature, as you can see dual auto, what it will do is it will kick the fan speed up, raise it lower, until it's 64 degrees on the driver's side, 71 degrees on the passenger side. And it will constantly keep turning the fan speed up and lower, adjusting it to go, constantly keeping the air temperature at the set temperature for each side of the vehicle. Coming down to here, you have your rear defrost button, as you can see, and your front defrost button. As you can see, the change went from our head to the defrost button. Notice the amber lights that are on. Every time an amber light is on, that means that button is engaged. On the right hand side here, you can actually hit the rear button and adjust the rear temperature for the second and third row of the JX35. You can adjust the fan speed just like up front, as well as adjust temperature button as well. Once you reach and established a temperature for the second and third row, however you want it set at, you can go ahead and click rear off. Now that is what's set for the second and third row. Button located right here with the little squiggly line, squiggly arrow with the little car aspect into it, is your circulation. If you go ahead and press it, you can see it's auto recirculation by hitting the auto button, otherwise it's recirculation. It will recirculate the air that's already inside the cabin of the car. It will not bring any air from the outside. So whatever air is already inside the car is what it's going to cycle through the system. You can click it again to turn it in to fresh air, again, air from the outside of the vehicle coming in, and that's how the air conditioning and heating system will work. Final button's located up in the right hand corner. It says climate. Go ahead and press climate. As you can see, just a basic option, AC on and off, dual climate control on and off. Using the enter feature, enter button right here, you can simply press on and off on that button. Simple as that. So as you can see, an extremely simple climate control system and dual climate control system for any Infiniti, this one in particular, the JX35. Driver seat, passenger seat, everybody's happy. Set the temperature to whatever you want it as. Drop some comments below, leave me some suggestions. Any information you want to know about any Infiniti, leave it, subscribe to the channel, like the video. The last installment of the Center Console video will be coming. It's going to be based on the navigational system, informations and settings of the Center Console aspect in the screen itself. So enjoy, stay tuned, flip to the next video now.